Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to check battery health on Vivo. If you want to check the battery health of your phone, so you must have to follow some steps, and there are two ways. The first way is that you must have to open your phone settings. In settings, just look for battery, tap on it. In battery, you will get the option of battery health and charging. You must have to select it, but if you won't get this option in your phone, you must have to install a third party application. So open your Play Store app, and here go for search bar and then search for e-battery. Just search for it, and then you'll get the option, this app. You must have to install it. Now wait for installation. After the installation of the app, you can easily check the battery health of your phone. Just tap on open, and then it will give you all the information about your battery. Here's the battery percentage, here's the battery health, battery type, and much more. So that's how you can easily check battery health of your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.